Pabati lang doon sa sexy kong asawa sa mga makukulit kong anak.
Okay, ganun pa. Ano pa?
Sino ang pinangalanan?
Charlene.
Ano?
Charlene yung pangalan ng asawa ko.
Aha.
Yung mga Selena Diaz sa Sinamnam. Pati na din yung pamapigmas yung Maika.
Oo, madinagdagan mo pa talaga na yung 58 na. Go! Ano yung punto? Go!
Letter A, Umalma. COA is an independent constitutional commission and its function is to examine and audit government accounts and expenditures. Its existence is constitutional that even the president must acknowledge and respect. The Duterte administration is so despicable in creating false rumors instead of emphasizing the true function of this independent body. Public office is a public trust. That is the essence of the creation of this constitutional commission. It is the money of the Filipino people, not those who are in position. They should be accountable. If there is mismanagement of funds or even corruption, those officials involved should feel ashamed of their dishonorable act and not run like a crazy drunkard. Yun lang po.
Salamat sa'yo, Edgar. Tulad ka
Go!
na.
Parang
Aha, siya na yan.
age.
Oo.
Parating ko lang.